Good day, here's the latest news for today. Dr. Beverly Ho, the Director of Health Promotion and Communication Services, DOH Central Office, is impressed by Misamis Oriental's COVID-19 response under the leadership of Governor Bambi Mano and the Provincial Task Force for COVID-19 Chief, Dr. Jerry Kalingasan. Here's Jebsen Patlunag for the details.
Yes, Jing, it can be recalled that the Department of Health, Center for Health and Development Northern Mindanao launched its BIDA Solution COVID-19 campaign on July 4, 2020, where the call for changes in the Filipino behavior and manners were emphasized by adhering to COVID preventive measures such as wearing of face masks, frequent hand sanitation, practicing the 1 meter physical distancing, and doing the right actions based on accurate information. In support of the campaign, Dr. Beverly Ho, Director of Health Promotion and Communication Services DOH Central Office, with her staff visited the office of the Provincial Health Office in Misamis Oriental on October 22, 2020. The party was warmly welcomed by PHO Head and Provincial IATF Chief Dr. Jerry Kalingasan with the Health Education Promotion Unit personnel of the province. During their conversation, Dr. Ho asked Dr. Kalingasan regarding Misamis Oriental's actions and plans to address the challenges faced by the Provincial IATF in implementing the minimum public health standards. Dr. Kalingasan responded that the province, with the strong support of Governor Bambi, will continue to succeed in the fight against COVID-19, and in the event that the dreaded surge in cases manifest, the provincial government and the provincial IATF is ready to answer and serve the needs of the people. Director Ho was impressed after learning of the province's decisive actions and a cooperation, especially during the release of Governor Bambi's executive orders, which is guided by DOH and his appointed experts in the provincial IATF. The recognition of DOH Central Office of the provincial IATF's efforts is a source of pride and joy in the midst of the obstacles in the fight against COVID-19, for Governor Bambi Mano is assured that the Department of Health is confident in his administration and in his goal of leading Misamis Oriental into victory against the pandemic. This is Jebsen Patlunag, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting from the province of Misamis Oriental. Jing?
Thanks, Jebsen. And another story, Governor Bambi Mano is requesting the people of Misamis Oriental to refrain from venturing into the city of Cagayan de Oro unless the purpose is extremely important. Gian El Bambo will tell us why.
Yes, Jing, during the 29th virtual flag-raising ceremony of the provincial capital, Governor Bambi pointed out the risk of visiting the city due to its significant increase in coronavirus disease cases. The governor appealed to the people of the province that if there are no important matters to attend to in the city, it would be better to stay at home. He also reminded everyone of the constant adherence to health protocols and to eat fruits rich in vitamin C, which is believed to be of great help to promote good health and boost the immune system against COVID-19. Governor Bambi is reminding the people of the province that this is the only way we can help the city of Cagayan de Oro with its rising cases. Staying at home is one way to avoid this virus from spreading. This is Gian El Bambo, aimed towards clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental.
Thanks, Gian. And that is the latest news for today. For more updates, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. This is Jing Kerosit. Good day.